What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're learning how to get a ringtone. So yeah, let's just get in, because I already talked too much. So you just want to open GarageBand. If you don't have it, it's on the cloud. Yeah, so you want to press audio recorder. Excuse me. And you want to press the bar lines right there. The bar line. What the freak? What is that? A shark? So you want to press that little you want to press that plus at the very bottom top. So you want to press that, and you want to excuse me. So you just want to hit 30 and 30. You just want to hit 30. So yeah. So you just want to press that loop. Yeah, is that the loop? Yeah, that loop. And you just want to press music. Then you want to press songs and just select the song, whatever your favorite song is. I'm just going to pick this one. So you just want to press and hold and drag as always, and you just want to select your song. So after you're done selecting your song, you just want to press that there, and you just want to say my song, and you just want to tap that, and you just want to press share. Then you just want to press my ringtone. Nothing else, just ringtone, whatever. So you just want to press, well, create your own thing. Like, just make whatever you Just do whatever you want your ringtone to be. So you just wanna wait till that, and you just wanna press use sound as, and you wanna press standard ringtone, whatever you want your thing to be. It can be anything, but I'm just gonna press my ringtone. So you have to go to settings, and you scroll down, then you'll see sound, then sounds. So you wanna scroll down, and you'll see ringtones in there you join.
Wanna go?
There you go. So you can do whatever you want.
You got your chicken, and I know you hate it, cause we lining up the shots. Young, you got the heat to make them pop. Soon as we hit the pocket.